So I did not have any plans of preparing for NEET PG at that time, and I did not do any MCQs, I did not solve any GTs. So in internship, like most of the other medical students, I thought to myself कि यार chill कर लेते हैं एक साल, फिर उसके बाद देखेंगे कि क्या करना है. Hi, I am Dr. Brahmjot Kaur, and I secured an All India rank of 98 in NEET PG 2024, which is an improvement from a rank of 87,000 in NEET PG 2023. I did my MBBS from SSIMS Davangere, which is a private medical college. In first and second year, my focus was more on university examinations. In fact, I did not read a lot of standard books. I only read Robbins because I liked pathology as a subject. So I did not have any plans of preparing for NEET PG at that time, and I did not do any MCQs, I did not solve any GTs. So I was only focused on my university exams. So in third year also, I did not focus on NEET PG, I focused more on my university examinations. I read PSM a bit and Opthal and ENT more. And again, I did not solve any MCQs or any GTs in my third year. So in final prof, I remember that COVID happened and we all went back home, and I did not study at all then. But after coming back, I was again more focused on my university exams only, and didn't read standard books again, but somehow passed my university examinations. Then also I didn't have any plans of preparing for NEET PG, so didn't do any MCQs or did any GTs. So in internship, like most of the other medical students, I thought to myself कि यार chill कर लेते हैं एक साल, फिर उसके बाद देखेंगे कि क्या करना है. So I did not have any plans of preparing for NEET PG. So all I did was I used to do my duties nicely, and I used to come back, chill a bit, and then yeah, that's how my internship went. Again, I did not really prepare well for internship, and with internship, that was my first attempt. I got a rank of 87,000. So after I got back home, my home is in Delhi, then also I did not have any motivation to start preparing for NEET PG. So in fact, I was curious to know that how things work at a government level and at a government setup. I wanted to know how doctors at my level, my fellow doctors who were also MBBS, are able to manage patients at their level. So that was the main reason that I did not start preparing for NEET PG, and I got into a job in Acharya Bhikshu Hospital and worked as a non-acad JR in pediatrics department for like 7 to 8 months. And there I found interest in pediatrics and decided that I want to start preparing for NEET PG. So it was a bit of a hard decision for me to quit my job, but then as the fate had it, I quit my job and started studying on June 5th, 2023 to be precise. Then I came across Cerebellum, and seeing all the legendary faculties over there, it was a very, very easy decision for me to go for it, and aankh band karke le li maine. And then my actual journey of NEET PG started. So I religiously used to sit for live classes which used to happen at 5:30 p.m. like every day. And the most helpful part about live classes is that they help you maintain the consistency. आपका flow नहीं टूटेगा उससे. And second most important thing is they give you a very organized schedule. You don't have to put in your own efforts to make a schedule for yourself. So they'll give you the schedule, you just have to follow it. So for example, you've been given 4 days of pathology. On the 5th day, you will be given a day to give the test, followed by the discussion. So after you give the test, attending the discussion is very important because you will get to know the points that you missed out, or you will get to know where your mistakes are. Like, was it your recall error, or was it that you were not able to attempt it properly, or did you not read the question properly? So the art of solving the MCQs comes with it. So ENDs are gold. You have to attend them because the question set are amazing, obviously by the experienced faculties in Cerebellum. So ENDs was something which I used to follow very regularly. So then I came across BTR, and the most important thing about BTR is that it gives you a concise resource. Like in the end, you will not have to think about कि कहाँ से पढूं. BTR will, BTR is that one single book that is easily revisable. You can revise that in last 3 days also. So doing BTR side by side and bonus BTR as well really helped me. And also the ENDs of BTR are again very, very good. So when I used to attend the discussions, Zainab ma'am used to teach that that you were not supposed to get stuck here. This was the trick that you were supposed to look for in the question. So BTR is something that will really help you along, supplementing your main source. So I started giving GTs when I started my preparation in the beginning itself, and as they were scheduled in the app. So my first GT score was only 70 corrects out of 200. And like we all cry over stuck GT scores, right? So even I was stuck at a score of 120 corrects for like 3 months. So before you reach at a good level, you will get stuck in between. So please don't get worried about that, and just have trust and faith that you will be able to cross that bar soon, okay? So and the second most important thing is you need to review your GTs as soon as possible. It doesn't matter what kind of score you are getting, it doesn't matter what your percentile is. You just need to review your GT, you just need to know your mistakes, you just need to know where you're going wrong. That's it. Do not judge yourself on the basis of the scores that you're getting. Do not judge yourself on the basis of the percentile you're getting, because in the end it will all make sense. Because for me also, I was never in the top 20 of any of the GTs, never. Like till the end, I was hoping that I want to be in the top 20, but in the end it all made sense, and I'm just very happy about it. So please don't focus on your scores, GT scores. Just try to make sure that you're reviewing your GTs on time, and you're just going through your mistakes, and you will be through. And another feature that was launched in the app that really helped me was late night PYQ marathon. So every day at 10:30 I used to sit for it, and there used to be 80 questions. In the end of the day, when you're a bit tired, you can just go through those 80 questions, and by that you don't have to do PYQs alag se. So your PYQs also get covered bit by bit every day. So anyhow your 80 questions will happen if you follow them regularly. So you don't need to stress enough कि आज इतने MCQs करने हैं, इतने करने हैं. You just give the PYQs late night. You can sit at 10:30 and it will be good for you. So among all the live classes and tests and discussions, I did not have much time left to do QBank. So I did not solve QBanks, but I used to give the tests very regularly, and I used to attend all the discussions. Even if I used to score good, I used to attend the discussion anyhow, because that concept remains in your mind better. So the most important thing I want to summarize is that it doesn't matter where you have done your graduation from. It doesn't matter what kind of a student you were in your MBBS. It doesn't matter what kind of books that you read in MBBS. Nothing matters. The only thing that matters is how do you take your preparation from now on. Because what you do from now on will show up on the day of the exam. So just forget about the past. And even if your 2 attempts were bad like me, still you can crack it with very good rank. Like I got 98, even I had a lot of uncertainties. I had a lot of self-doubt. There were days when I totally felt like giving up. There were days when I did not want to get up from my bed at all. But in the end it will all make sense. Just have a little bit of faith and belief that you can do this, and never ever let the negative thoughts take hold on you. Overthinking is something which comes naturally to us, but whenever you see yourself caught in a loop, just remind yourself that you can do this, and you are no less than anybody else in this entire planet. So just get into that mental zone that you also deserve it, and you can do this no matter where you stand at right now. But if you start sincerely from now on, you can crack it with a good rank.